In this video, you will learn how to fix WhatsApp keeps stopping. This issue can be frustrating. It often happens when you try to open the app and it suddenly closes. But don't worry, I have some simple solutions to help you get WhatsApp working again. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you're in the settings page, scroll down until you find Apps. Tap on it to see all the applications installed on your device. Now that you're in the Apps section, tap on the search button at the top right corner of your screen. Type in WhatsApp and hit search to locate the application quickly. Select WhatsApp from the search results. You'll be directed to the app info page where various options are available. To begin troubleshooting, tap on Force Stop. A confirmation prompt will appear, simply tap OK to confirm this action. Next up, we need to ensure that all necessary permissions are granted. Tap on Permissions within the app info page. Make sure every permission is allowed. This includes access to storage, contacts, and other essential features that enable WhatsApp to function properly. After checking permissions, go back to the main WhatsApp app info page. Scroll down a bit until you see Storage. Tap on it, then select Clear Cache. This action clears out temporary files that might be causing issues without deleting any personal data or messages. Now it's time for an important step, checking if there's an update available for WhatsApp. Exit out of Settings and open up the Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top, type in WhatsApp and hit search. If an update is available, you'll see an update button next to it. Go ahead and tap that button to download and install any updates. Keeping apps updated is crucial for optimal performance. Finally, once everything is updated and configured correctly, restart your device. This ensures all changes take effect properly and can resolve lingering issues related to app performance. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, accessing settings, force stopping WhatsApp, checking permissions, clearing cache, updating the app, and restarting your device, you should be able to resolve any issues with WhatsApp keeps stopping. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.